Telematics can help you save a lot of money on your car insurance. But what exactly is it? Well, when you sign up with the new insurance policy, the company will provide you with a telematic device that you'll install on your vehicle. This device records the information about your driving, like speed, mileage, how hard you brake, and even what time of day you drive. Now, these factors can contribute to whether or not you're considered a high-risk driver, and they use that data to lower your insurance premiums if you are driving safely. If you're a naturally good driver with a clean record, Telematics can help you save a lot. And if you do have some bad driving habits or risky behaviors, using a telematic device will help you remember to be more careful. Insurance companies use telematics in different ways. Some ask you to have the device in your vehicle for 6 months before they make an adjustment to your rate. Others give you an automatic discount once you install the device and then adjust your rates each pay period based on your driving habits. If you want to see if Telematics can help you save, contact us at Jerry.ai and we'll compare rates in real time to find you the best plan. Hopefully this information helps. And if you have any questions, please check out more of our videos on YouTube and in our app, or reach out to one of our expert agents 7 days a week. I'm Dominique. Thanks for watching and be safe on the road.